So often in lighting design, the practical lights are ignored. I would often create beautiful lighting designs and beautiful spaces, and as the customer would sit down on their patio, they look up at their deck, they'd see these step lights that were put in that were inexpensive, low quality, they had been kicked in, they were broken, and they just distracted from the overall lighting design that we had accomplished. So we created the SL09. It's a retrofit step light. With most of the step lights that are put in by most deck builders, they're not great quality. So if somebody walks in and they kick it, they bend, they break, they have all sorts of issues. The LED light isn't good if it has LED at all. So I designed this luminaire to be a heavy-duty, robust step light. Something that if somebody kicks it, they're not going to damage it at all. Something that can easily replace the lower grade step lights out there, give a better light source, not have light glare, and we built a lot into this design. So this will fit into most standard junction boxes, which makes it really easy for installation. The other thing that can happen with this is if they don't have a junction box, it can surface mount right on the step itself and give a beautiful light output. This is a 97 CRI. It is only 17.5 lumens, which seems very low. I actually went out at night and I tested the light level. What light level is going to give us the optimal feel, the optimal look, and 17.5 is what we came up with. And I can tell you on my designs, it's soft, it's beautiful, it gives that marker light for the steps so people can traverse up and down the stairs and not have to worry about seeing the step. The interesting technology that went into this, and this just was from my lighting design, is so often you have a light source right in the center of the step light. The issue with that is you're going to see a lot of glare. So we actually built LEDs on the side and we have a white panel that they shine across. So we're not getting that direct light glare. We're getting a reflective light off of the white surface, so it's much softer. We put a frosted lens on it. We protected it with heavy duty virgin brass. So if you're designing a system and you ignore those step lights, they can distract from the overall project. This just gives your project the opportunity to truly upgrade to a permanent solution for their step lights. The SL09 is built to last, built to perform, and built to make you look great on your lighting designs. That is Sterling Lighting.